Hello everybody, thank you for your interest in RWTH Business School. In this video, we want to introduce you to our application portal and show you how to apply for international master programs. The process is entirely online, so you do not need to send us any printed documents. Please make sure that once you start the process, you need to finish it in one go, as there is no option for saving the application and continue later. So please take your time. In case of further questions, please do not hesitate to contact us anytime. We hope to see you soon and good luck with your application. Before you start the online application, please make sure that you have prepared the following documents and save them as a PDF file on your computer. A short but compelling statement of purpose. Your latest CV listing your university education, your degrees, your work experiences, and your responsibilities. All pages of your latest transcript of records, best possibly indicating your individual courses and the credit points you received. 2 letters of recommendation by a professor or your company in English merged as one PDF. A proof of at least 12 months of professional work experience issued by your company. An APS certificate if you're a Chinese applicant. Your degree certificate if you already possess it. However, this document needs to be presented at the latest on the day of enrollment. An English language certificate, as all the programs are taught in English. However, this document also needs to be presented at the latest on the day of enrollment. If you're interested in our scholarships, please make sure that you submit the scholarship application with all the other documents. The scholarship form can be downloaded from our website. If your documents come in any other language than German or English, you need to submit a translation of your documents for the admission team to evaluate your application. A checklist of the documents can be found on our website. You will also be asked to complete a supplementary sheet as part of your application. This document can be downloaded from the application portal during the process. After you have prepared all these documents, you can start your online application. First of all, you need to register and create an applicant account. Following your registration, you will be allocated a number, which is your personal ID within RWTH Online. Once you receive the confirmation email with your account details, you will be able to log into the application portal. Please keep your login data at a safe place, as you will need it later in the enrollment process. We recommend that you familiarize yourself with the general and specific requirements to your desired study program. Please be aware that different study programs may have different requirements. To double-check, please visit our program website. To generate a new application, just click Enter New Application in the yellow box in the upper right corner. You will then be guided through the system step by step. Please be aware that fields with a yellow border are mandatory to fill in. Our international master programs start in the winter semester. Make sure that you enter the correct start date in the first step. In the next step, you choose the program you want to apply for. The entrance semester for each program is 1, and you need to select further training studies as the form of studies. After filling in your personal data, your correspondence and home address, as well as the details to your higher education entrance qualification, you will be asked to add your academic background. You need to have at least a bachelor's degree to take part in one of our international master programs. Furthermore, it is also necessary to have passed the final examination on the whole and indicate your grade. Please make sure to enter the details to your entire academic background. Afterwards, choose your entrance qualification for our international master programs. In the following steps, you need to upload the documents you have prepared beforehand. After filling in the information and uploading all the documents, you are ready to submit your application. Please make sure to confirm the correctness of your submitted data before you hit the Send button. Your application will then be visible to the admission team. Any changes to your personal data can only be made by them. However, you will still be able to upload any missing documents within the given deadline. You will be notified about updates by email, for example, when your application has entered the next evaluation phase. Applications are reviewed on a rolling basis. Here in Aachen, experts in the world of business as well as brilliant researchers are waiting for you. You will learn how to combine deep technological and managerial knowledge so that you can contribute to solving the grand challenges of our time. You can enjoy a unique learning experience where theory and practice go hand in hand and where you can apply your new knowledge in real-world challenges. Come and join us for an awesome journey you won't forget.